Hi students, today we are discussing about mural advertising or outdoor advertising. What is mural advertising? Mural advertising is outdoor advertising. It is the oldest medium of advertising. It consists of posters, billboards, electrical displays, etc. It's just an example for mural advertising. It is an advertisement placed outside on the footpath or in railway station, bus station, that is in a public place. Such kind of advertisement is known as outdoor advertising or mural advertising. Okay. Then what are the different types of outdoor advertising? Let us discuss the types of outdoor advertising or mural advertising. Then first type is billboard advertising. What is a billboard? A billboard is a large outdoor board for displaying advertisement. It is also known as a hoarding. Okay. So, billboard advertising is one of, if not the most recognizable mediums. Billboard usually form one element of an integrated advertising campaign. And their bold and instantly recognizable format suits campaigns with a strong symbol message. Okay. These are the most attractive advertisement boards, billboards. Next type is point of sale advertising. While some types of outdoor advertising are intended to attract the attention of a wide range of consumers, point of sale advertising, it's also known as POS or POP, point of purchase or point of sale. It is widely used to attract the attention of customers. Okay, it's a little more specific outdoor advertising, point of sale advertising. Next type of outdoor advertising is sky advertising. That is an advertising take place in or make use of the sky. It may be by means of an aircraft, hot air balloons, or laser projection, whatever it may be, which make use of the sky. Such kind of advertisement is known as sky advertising. It is one of the most latest technique of outdoor advertising. Okay, and under this type of advertising, the name of products or the name of the producers are written in the sky. This is the speciality of sky advertising. Next type of outdoor advertising is transit advertising. It's also known as vehicle advertising. Transit advertising is advertising placed in or on modes of public transportation or in public transportation areas. Using this method of advertising, ads can be placed anywhere from on the sides of the buses, trains and taxis to inside subway cars, inside bus stations and near train or bus platforms. Such kind of advertisement is known as transit advertising. It's also known as moving advertisement, and advertisers give their advertisements to be put on moving buses, so that it is known as moving advertisement. Okay. So marketers use this type of advertising for a particular type of groups such as commuters on their way to and from work and the tourist or passengers, etc. Transit advertising is a low cost medium and is considered to be very effective. Next is electric displays. It is being done through neon signs. It is very eye-catching media and attract the attention of people while moving on foot or any other mode of transport. It acts as memorizer even when it is dark all around. That is the one of the major attractive of electric displays. So these are some of the main outdoor or mural advertising. And besides this, there are several other types such as posters. Posters are such print materials which are oftenly pasted on walls. That is posters. Then some other outdoor advertisement means are advertising boards. These are some permanent boards fixed at prominent places, especially at the points where people frequently assembles like railway station, airport, bus stop, etc. Advertising boards. Okay, billboards it's a modification of such a advertisement boards. Then let us explain what are the advantages of outdoor media or outdoor advertisement. There will be a high coverage. One of the basic advantage of outdoor advertisement is high coverage. That is, moving person comes in contacts with the advertisement displayed. That is major advantage. Then another advantage is best suitable for metropolitan cities. That is, in big metro cities with a high traffic area like Mumbai, Chennai, Calcutta, outdoor advertising is the most effective form of advertising. Okay, so next advantage is it have a high attention value. Okay, then it's a form of quick communication. Outdoor advertising has the advantage of communicating quickly the simple idea with a repetition. This is another advantage. And very economical in nature. This is another advantage. In fact, this media of advertising is quite economical because of large coverage and less cost as compared to the advertisement on television or any other media. Okay, then one of another advantages, it enjoys selectivity, which means this media or outdoor advertising has got a high degree of selectivity because it can be used area wise or locality wise, city wise, regional wise, etc. That is, it enjoys selectivity. This is another advantage. Then next is it is semi-permanent in nature, which means outdoor advertisement is semi-permanent in nature as compared to the press or print advertisement or print media or TV or television advertisement, which has got a value only for an hour or a day. But the outdoor advertisement is something permanent in nature. The routine or the regular passengers daily views the same messages frequently, but it can only be used along with the other forms of advertising. Okay, it has a wide coverage within a particular locality. Okay, these are the various advantages of outdoor advertising or mural advertising.